to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to source for cutting-edge tech and defense insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated advancements in military aviation, the 2025 Tejas Light Combat Aircraft. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the Tejas LCA has evolved into a formidable symbol of India's indigenous defense capabilities. Let's explore what makes the 2025 variant a true game-changer in modern aerial combat. Next-gen performance upgrades. The 2025 Tejas LCA comes equipped with a more powerful GE F414 engine, delivering superior thrust and fuel efficiency. This upgrade allows enhanced maneuverability, increased payload capacity, and better performance at high altitudes, key factors for both air-to-air and ground strike missions. Its top speed exceeds Mach 1.8, making it one of the fastest jets in its class. Avionics and weapon systems. Advanced avionics give the 2025 Tejas a technological edge. Featuring an AESA radar, integrated electronic warfare suite, and helmet-mounted display systems, it ensures unparalleled situational awareness. Its weapons package now includes the Astra Mark II air-to-air missile and precision-guided munitions, offering lethal versatility across multiple combat scenarios. Stealth and survivability. Refinements in radar cross-section and use of composite materials enhance its stealth profile. The airframe is designed for reduced detectability, while onboard jamming systems and countermeasures ensure survivability in contested airspace. Operational readiness and global interest. With the Indian Air Force set to induct over 100 units, the 2025 Tejas LCA is on track to become the backbone of India's air defense. International interest is also growing, with countries in Southeast Asia and the Middle East exploring procurement options. Conclusion. The 2025 Tejas Light Combat Aircraft isn't just a fighter jet. It's a statement of self-reliance and advanced engineering. Stay tuned to Next Gen Reviews for more updates on global defense tech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.